Hey there guys, Zach here from WinBeta, and welcome back to another video. Now today we're taking a look at Windows 10 for Phones build 10,069. This build includes a number of features and enhancements over the last Insider build, which was 10,051. This is also an emulator build, meaning it's not being pushed out to insiders, it's actually available to the public via the Visual Studio 2015 tools. So if you want to try this out for yourself, make sure you download that. This build includes a few different changes. For one, let's just get right into it. The start screen has been updated slightly. The tiles are now closer together, as you can see here, and it's also a lot buggier. Customizing it seems to be extremely slow. That may just be the emulator, however, but yes, it's extremely slow, and there are a number of different graphical glitches when jumping in and out of the multitasking, so that's that. The Store Beta app is now available on the phones, and this is what it looks like. It looks just like the desktop version, surprisingly or unsurprisingly. And yeah, so as you can see here, we get a hamburger menu up at the top left, which allows access to home, apps, games, TV, movies, and settings. This is what it looks like on the home screen. Since Windows 10 for Phones supports mouse and keyboard, you get scroll bars if you're using it in an emulator. So as you can see here, I'm using the emulator. This is what, let's open up an app. This is what an app page looks like. Again, much like the desktop version. And of course you can search and your keyboard works like you would expect. So there are a number of other apps in this build as well, such as the Contact Support app. However, it doesn't actually work in this build. It says coming soon. Let's see what else. Getting Started is here, which I just lost. There it is. Getting Started. Welcome to Windows 10 Mobile. There's a video. So yeah, it's just a much like on the desktop. It just tells you how to use Windows. Nothing really new there. Settings again. This is the universal app, guys. What do you expect? They look just like the desktop version. Although Microsoft Edge is actually called Microsoft Edge in this build in the Getting Started area. However, I don't believe it's called Microsoft Edge in the apps list. So if we go down to apps, no, it's still called Project Spartan in this build. I believe there's one more app that's new in this build. Let's take a look. Maybe there isn't. Okay, I lied. But yes, they are the two new apps in this build. Let's open up a couple others. Where is the settings app? There it is. So here's the settings app. The settings apps seems a bit improved, I guess. Let's go into start. You can now adjust the transparency of tiles if you have a wallpaper in the background. However, I do not, so we're not going to do that. You can adjust colours. You get a number of different colours to choose. A lot more than in Windows 8.1. So those who are wanting new colours, you'll be glad to know that there are a bunch of new ones. And you can also switch from dark to light if you wish. You've got sounds. You can change the different sounds, much like in Windows Phone 8.1. And you can also adjust the lock screen, change photo, and so on. So that's really about it for this build. There's not really much new in it, but yes, it's good to see the Windows 10 for Phones operating system come along. Like I said, the start screen is a little bit iffy in this build, but that may just be because it's in an emulator. Either way, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye.